Hello everyone. Indeed, after harvesting, who said you need to throw away what's left in the field? Here we are seeing mountains and mountains of stover from wheat at Cat University Farm, where we are going to hear more about what they are doing here and how they value add for their products. Let's get more insight. Makadizve. What is happening here? Tell us about the stover that we are seeing.
After harvesting of wheat. So it's a value addition so that you know some piece. So to know working farmers, some of them need it for chickens, for bedding. One for the feeds. But you know, formulate our feeds up. So each bale goes for $2 each.
Each bale?
Okay. Yes. Even our cattle, no one off the feed from these bales.
So you can buy your hay bales from Cat University Farm for $2.
Tinono fetina mombe dzedu for 90 days.
Okay.
Tichipama feeds akasiyana-siyana. So that tinono supply futi chikoro chedu chinoinvest. Our country, we even supply Chinhoi hospital, Chinhoi high school, and some other working farmers vanenge vachiuya tengesera nyama yedu depending on the grades akasiyana-siyana. Then we've got a block press factory kunogadzirwa animal feeds in form of blocks. Yes, monthly blocks. Tengesa, they go for $16 each block weigh 25 kg.
It can service how many?
It service 10 cattle for 21 or more days. If we give it as instructed for 3 to 4 hours in the morning, then 3 to 4 hours after grace.
Wonderful. Thank you so much. Let's go and see some of the enterprises. So these are blocks. They can feed about 10 cattle for about 21 days. The cattle will be licking them. So these are being produced at Cat University, Cat Agro Plus.
What you have to know is there is a vitamin source, a mineral source, energy source, and a protein source for the formulation.
Okay.
Sure.
So in the background, we are seeing the dairy cows here at Cat University. And as you can see, the beautiful, healthy head of dairy cattle that they have here, and this is the baobab yogurt that they make from some of the milk that they get from the dairy cattle they have here at Cat University, Marsh West, Zimbabwe.